Hello, welcome to another microbit video from me, Mr. Morrison. In today's video, we are going to create this project here called Teleporting Duck. So if I shake my microbit, the duck moves from one microbit to the other. Really fun project. And you can make this, it doesn't have to be a duck, it could be another emoji, but I quite like the duck. It's quite a nice little one to do. There we are, it's jumping between the two. So it uses the radio feature of the microbit, and of course, as you can see, you need 2 microbits. You can do this with more microbits as well, but 2 microbits is essential for this project. So let's get coding. So to create our teleporting duck, we're going to need onStart, but not forever. We're then going to need a onShake input, and then I'm going to go into radio. So I'm going to set the radio group, and remember, if you're setting the radio group, this has to be a different number for each group of people, but the same number for the group of microbits you want to send things between. So same number for the group of microbits you're sending between, different number if there's anyone else in the group. Then we're going to have onShake. I'm going to find a clear screen, and I'm going to have radio send string, and I'm going to put duck. Let's put duck in capital letters here. So duck onShake. So then on radio received string, I'm going to have a show icon, and I'm going to find my duck. So my duck is, where's my duck? There's my duck. So I have the radio set group, radio receiving, and onShake. So now download this onto 2 microbits and see if it works. And I hope to see you in another video very soon.